Hey, welcome back to the Fit to Survive channel. So I have a very unique set of tools here. You see that they're matching with the design and colors. So definitely very unique. So start off, I'll kind of explain the reasoning here. So the guy who ordered this, he wanted the colors to match the Romanian flags, so the red, yellow, and blue. And so definitely not, maybe not gonna be everybody's favorite color, or maybe your go-to, but still turned out really unique, much better than I expected it would. And I think the way that they match together really turned out nice. So the scales are 3D printed. I picked these up on Shapeways. And so I was concerned about how well they would be. If you watched some of my previous videos, I have gone through and I've explained some different custom subscriber knife scales. And the 3D printed scales I used before were honestly terrible. I'm not sure exactly how they do this. I'm not into 3D printing. Maybe somebody can in the comments explain exactly how they make this, because it doesn't have the typical, on 3D printed items, you can see almost like the pattern where it's been printing. Whereas on this, it looks almost like it's been like maybe even sprayed with something. I'm not sure. So anyways, if you know how this is done, be sure to share that with us. So of course, this is not going to be as strong as, let's say, titanium or really any other type of metallic scale. But I don't think any worse than the original plastic ones that come on the knife, the original Celador. And kind of as a testimony to the actual quality of it and how well it can hold, of course, I've epoxied these on. So you see when I pull this deep carry pocket clip, you see that the scale does not flex or anything. So that's a good sign that it attached well and it's gonna be nice and basically attached into place. So I don't expect to have any problems with the scale. I don't think the guy who carries this, it shouldn't have any issues with it. So anyways, to attach the pocket clip right here, because these are 3D printed, I did use some brass. Basically, it's threads that you have to tap into the plastic, and then on the back it has like this star to make sure that it holds in place. And that did really well. You can see nice and tight, no issues with that pocket clip coming off. All right, so I'll go ahead and show you the tool set now. So it, of course, has a Spyderco Dragonfly blade. So this has been acid etched and aluminum washed. And right here, you see we have the can opener, bottle opener, of course, that mod where it replaces the original blades. So this has the saw, the wood saw here, and the scissors. That's why it has Huntsman in the name, kind of going back to that model. So it also has the bit driver, bit holder, and of course, it has the scissors here on this side. All right, in the back, you have the corkscrew, and I've added the fire ant. This is from Tortoise Gear, so this is a small little ferro rod. The main reason I added this is just to kind of add to the design of the knife. Yeah, basically you can scratch down this. I'd probably go with the saw, the back of the saw, wood saw there, and to cast a spark, start a fire with that. Just kind of adds to the design of the knife. And over here you have the parcel hook as well. I've also added the blue pick to match with the blue side and the red tweezers to match with that. I also did not have any issues with the tweezer and the pick slots. Sometimes when I use custom scales, I have issues with those slots where I have to actually widen them out or maybe deepen them to make sure that the tweezers or the pick fits in there. But with these, I didn't have any issues, so it snapped on fairly easily. Didn't have to fix that. And so pretty good scales all around. I would definitely recommend them. I found them on Shapeways. I'll try to include a link if I can find that again. All right, so then you have the Leatherman Squirt. Really great tool set here, really great multi-tool. It's very unfortunate that Leatherman has chosen to discontinue it. It definitely makes it hard to find them nowadays. So anyways, you have the pliers here, and you can see that I did not acid etch the pliers. I left them stainless. On the previous Leatherman Squirt I made, I did acid etch them, and just from rubbing on the inside here of the frame, it definitely created a lot of scratches. And so I think it looks great leaving that stainless. The rest of the tools have been acid etched and stone washed. So you can see it creates a nice, good, dark design on it. So here we have the file. And then on this side is the blade. You can see the acid etching, the stone wash on it. All right, then on this side you have the large and the small flathead screwdrivers. And also you have the little bottle opener there. So definitely a great little tool set here. It also has scissors. All right, so that's it for this, the tool set on this. So you can see, of course, the same concept here, these 3D printed handles or scales for this wasn't quite exactly able to balance it out as well as on the Swiss Army knife. You can see the way that it was able to set that up. So we had to choose between which colors to have 2 of and which ones to have 1 of. But again, back to the red, yellow, and blue, so the flag of Romania there. These scales also, just like I said about the 91 millimeter Swiss Army knife scales, they're not going to be as hard as, let's say, the original aluminum, but still it gives you the this really unique, really vivid colors here. So definitely really unique. Let me know what you guys think about these 2 tools. I understand it's probably not going to be your go-to favorite colors, but still I think it turned out really cool, really bright, definitely eye-catching. So definitely let me know what you think about that in the comments, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.